Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this quick and easy eyeshadow look using a liquid eyeshadow. This is perfect for beginners who wish to learn some eyeshadow techniques. I'm using my BH Cosmetics Zodiac Capricorn palette. I'm using the darkest shade of the palette and putting it in my crease with the fluffy blending brush in back and forth motions. You always start with a warmer or a neutral shade in your crease, but today our eyeshadow is silver, which is why we are using a darker shade to give it a smoky effect. This is what it looks like on both of my eyes. I'm going ahead with a warmer tone and applying right above my crease color such that it gives it a nice gradient effect. It looks all blended out with my skin tone and doesn't look like I have placed two colors just right above each other. This is what it looks like when all blended out, nice, warm and clean. I am using the darker shade from the palette again for contouring the outer corner of my eye with an eye contour brush. I'm just going to pop it in the outer corner to add some depth and dimension to the look, because we are going for a smoky look. Adding a darker shade in the outer corner enhances the look a lot more. I'm also making sure that I'm blending the color in the outer corner with my transition shade so that it looks all blended out and nice and even. Going ahead with the Swiss Beauty Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in the shade 04 Smoky Storm. This product has a doe foot applicator. Start applying the product in the middle of your eye. If you start from the inner corner, there's a chance that if you have too much product on the applicator, it becomes difficult to blend it outwards. So you always start from the middle of your eye and then build it up towards the inner corner of your eye. Only one dip into the bottle gives a lot of product for you to complete one eye completely fully. This product is a dupe for the Stila Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow, which is a high-end brand. Make sure that the product goes up till your crease so that it gives a nice elongated shape and it doesn't look incomplete or uneven. You can opt for any shade. I have opted for silver because I think it's the perfect party shade. Going ahead with the Just Smoky Black Kajal by Colorbar. I'm going to place it in my waterline and also outside my waterline because I want to smoke it out later on. Using an angled brush, in short strokes, I'm just going to blend it all out so that it looks like a soft line and not a harsh line. And also it gives like a smoky effect. Then I'm using the same kajal again, and in short strokes I'm going to put a line above my lash line, a very thin line, because I want it to look very soft later on. It doesn't have to be neat, but make sure it's thin. Going ahead with the same dark brown shade and a flat brush, I'm just going to place color over wherever I have put the kajal, and then in short motions I'm going to blend it all out so that the silver blends with the black and it doesn't look too shabby. That's the finished look. To complete the look, I'm just adding some mascara, and this is what the final look looks like. If you are someone who wants to learn eyeshadow, then this is the perfect technique to go for beginners. So if you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.